Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Exhibition Hall of Guangdong Xin Tongshi Group. Established in 2004, Xin Tongshi Group has transformed into a large enterprise with over 1,600 employees and 4 major production bases. Let me show you. As the group headquarters, Guangdong Xin Tongshi Group Company Limited is located in Qinyuan City, Guangdong Province, which is also our first production basis. It mainly producing passenger car radiators, truck radiators, constructional vehicle radiators, condensers, intercoolers, and other accessories. This is our second production basis, Xin Tongshi Jiangsu Heat Exchange System Company, which is located in Suqian City, Jiangsu Province. It mainly produces passenger car radiators, brazing and mechanical heaters, evaporators, oil coolers, brazing and mechanical radiators, etc. This is our third production basis, Hunan Tongshi Heat Exchange Company Limited, which is located in Yongzhou City, Hunan Province. It mainly produces radiators, condensers, and evaporators equipped with the mainframe. This is our third production basis, Guangdong Xinya Air Conditioning Manufacturing Company Limited, which is near our group headquarters, mainly producing refrigeration equipment and other equipment. This establishment of this production base has further enriched our production line and meet the market's demands for diversity products. In addition to 4 production bases, we still have 3 trading companies in Qinyuan, Guangzhou, and Suqian. They are Guangdong AKV Trading Company Limited, Guangzhou Gasoline Trading Company Limited, and Jiangsu Tops Trading Company Limited. Among them, AKV and Gasoline have branch companies, namely Qinyuan Sunshine Trading Company Limited and Chengdu Xin Tongshi Trading Company Limited. In addition, we also have established 4 overseas trading companies and an overseas sales office to actively expand its overseas market. As a high-tech enterprise with innovation capabilities, Xin Tongshi Group has been deeply involved in the cooling system over 20 years. We are dedicated to offer high quality and high-performance cooling system products to customers worldwide. With our excellent quality, advanced technology, and top-notch service, our group has gained the trust and support of the majority of our customers. In 2006, we successfully registered our own brand Tongshi and quickly expanded in the domestic market. With the continual growth of our business, we start brand registration worldwide in 2015. Currently, we have successfully registered in more than 40 countries, including the United States, the European Union, Malaysia, etc., and have dozens of brand agents. Xin Tongshi Group offers a diverse product line, including various models and specifications of cooling system products. We prioritize the practicality and innovation of our products, continuously introducing new products that align with market demands. Presently, our products has exported over 100 countries, including Russia, Canada, United States, Mexico, and etc., receiving good feedback from both domestic and international customers. We have obtained the IATF 16949 Quality Management System certification, and in terms of the quality control and testing, we meticulously oversee every details to guarantee high-quality products to our customers. By implementing advanced automatic product line and production technology, we have achieved efficient and advanced production, significantly enhancing production efficiencies to ensure the stability of our products. Our group not only continually innovates technology, but also demonstrates excellent independent control abilities in supply chain management. We have a complete supply chain and 98% of the components are produced in our production base. This ensures that from raw material to the final product, every stage is strictly monitored to guarantee high qualities and efficiencies. We already established an advanced production line, including two manufacturing, fin production, handle and side plate stamping, core assembly, core brazings, the tank leak chains, and product testing and packaging. Xin Tongshi Group always adhere to the customer priorities, continuously expanded our global business to meet the demands for more customers. Currently, we have established few overseas branches in Vietnam, Laos, Dubai, Malaysia, and other locations as well as Vietnam. These branches function as our local sales and service hub, utilizing to offer more convenient and efficiencies products to customers worldwide. This is our product advantage area. Let me introduce for you. And this is our check radiator. As you can see, we not only had the dual handle plate structure, but also had the handle reinforcement rib structure. This design greatly improved the shock resistance of the handle plates and enhanced the strength of our buckles. This is our passenger car radiators. We adopt the flying edge technology, which greatly improved the resistance to lodging and enhanced the heat dissipation efficiencies, surpassing our competitors by over 10%. In addition, we also focus on the details of the product designs. We have added stress relief shafts on the side plate, which greatly reduce the stress while amplification. This is our condensers. We also adapt the flying edge technology similar to the radiators. In addition, we also have used the microchannel tube, which can withstand the pressures up to 88 kg without explosion. This is our product area, and this is truck radiators. Constructional vehicle radiators. Passenger car radiators. Mechanical radiators. Condensers. Intercoolers. Oil coolers. Heaters. Evaporator. And some components of these products, such as the tube, machining parts products, tank, handle plate, and side plate. We have a strong research and development team dedicated to product research, development, and innovation. We focus on the advanced manufacturing, new material, and other engaging industrial. In the future, we will further explore the cooling system industrial, utilizing high-performance material to advance automotive products towards lightweight designs. We aim to expand the new energy industrial, aviation fuels, and more to offer our customer more efficient and eco-friendly products and service. Welcome to visit us at any time. Thanks for your support and love for Xin Tongshi. Stay contact. Bye bye.